contravariant, covariant and mixed tensors. Let n square quantities A, P, Q in a coordinate system x1, x2, xn are related to another n square quantities A bar Rs in a coordinate system x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar n, x bar n by the transformation equations A Rs, A bar Rs is equal to del x bar R del xp del x bar S del xq A pq. Then A pq is called a contravariant tensor of rank 2. Or in other words, A, PQ are the contravariant components of a tensor of rank 2. Now let n square quantities A, P, Q in a coordinate system x1, x2, xn are related to n square other quantities A bar Rs by the transformation Rs in a coordinate system x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar n by the transformation equations A bar Rs is equal to del x p del x bar R del xq del x bar S A pq. Then A pq will be called a covariant tensor of rank 2. Let n square quantities A, P, Q in a coordinate system x1, x2, xn are related to other n square quantities A bar PQ in another coordinate system x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar n by the transformation equations A bar, suppose this is Rs, A bar Rs is equal to del x bar R del xp del xq del x bar S A pq. Then A pq is called a mixed tensor of rank 2. Here, why it is mixed tensor? Because here both the components are present, one contravariant component, another covariant component. If both the components are present in a tensor, then that tensor is called mixed tensor. Suppose there are n3 quantities A, P, Q, R in a coordinate system x1, x2, xn, and these are related to another n cube quantities A bar I, J, K in another coordinate system x bar 1, x bar 2, x bar n. Then you can write the transformation equations as A bar I, J, K. How to write it or remember it? You give 3 I, J, K, 3 places. Then you write A, P, Q, R, P, Q, R. Then you write there are 2 contravariant components. So del x bar I, another del x bar J. One covariant component, so you write del x bar K. Then in place of I you write del x P, del x Q, and in place of here del x K you write R. You see Ij, K, K. Ij is the contravariant components, K is the covariant components. So contravariant components are under numerator and covariant components are at the denominator. So then you write the other components A, P, Q, R, A, P, Q, this is R. So this is a mixed tensor of rank 3 having 2 contravariant components and 1 covariant component. Okay, next class.